नवाश्री समाजिका सेवा समिति के ग्लीनिगर हॉस्पिटल के मुश्तरका ताउन से मेगा हेल्थ कैंप का इनेकाद अमल में आया। लकड़ी का पुल और खैरतबाद से ताल्लुक रखने वाली अवाम ने शिरकत की। 150 से ज्यादा अफराद ने इस कैंप से इस्तेफादा किया। इस कैंप का इफ्तिताह मेयर विजय लक्ष्मी गदवाल ने अंजाम दिया। इस मौके पर रुकने असम्बली डी नागेंद्र ने मेहमान खुसूसी की हैसियत से शिरकत की। मुख्तलिफ अमराज के माहिर डॉक्टर्स ने शिरकत की। इस कैंप का बुनियादी मकसद सेहतमंद मुल्क के लिए अवाम का सेहतमंद होना भी जरूरी है।
सामाजिक सेवा समिति के साथ एसोसिएशन होके यहाँ मेगा हेल्थ कैंप कंडक्ट किए हैं एंड public response is very huge. More than 150 public was attended this mega health camp, and we are near to their we are the neighbors to Khairatabad people. Our hospital is located near Lakdi ka Pul, so this is the best opportunity for the public also. The mega health camp the purpose of mega health camp conducting is to educate the people about the preventive health checkups. So through this health camp, their primary health checkup is conducting like a BP and sugar, and physician is ECG. 1 second, sorry. Danam Nagendra Garu, Srimati Vijay Lakshmi Madam, for attending this program and encouraging the people towards the health checkups, for the periodic health checkups. So more than 150 people are visited and they are utilizing the services. They are very happy because they are seeing the senior consultants are here, the cardiologist and orthopedician and physicians are here. There is a huge response through this camp, and we are providing medicines also. And thanks to Mr. Nageshwar Rao for conducting and creating this awareness, and thanks to Postal Department for their providing the space here for the public, and they are encouraging health checkups. So health for all is most important for the healthy nation. So we are very happy to associate it with this Navashri association. Happy to associate with Navashri Samajalka Seva Samiti, and we are thankful to Indian Postal Department for giving the opportunity to participate in this program.